Hello guys, this is Amazing Worldwide Facts presenting the first video on YouTube. Hope you all enjoy. If you all enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video and ring the bell to get notified about my videos.
Today we are going to discuss about a few known and unknown facts of Earth.
Has all the makings for a jaw-dropping blockbuster movie. From the drama of explosive volcanoes
I wish you could be here with me! Bring it on! Always remember, folks! Charlie!
past meteor crashes and catastrophic collisions between rocky plates to the seeming fantasy of the ocean's deep abysses, swirling with odd life and tales of the coldest, hottest, deepest, highest and all-out extreme spots. The majority of Earth's freshwater is locked up in Antarctica. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and the only world known to support an atmosphere with free oxygen. Oceans of liquid water on the surface and the big one, life.
Earth is old. Researchers calculate the age of the Earth by dating both the oldest rocks on the planet and meteorites that have been discovered on Earth. Meteorites and Earth formed at the same time when the solar system was forming. Earth is about 4.54 billion years old. Oldest known rocks on Earth, called the Nouveau-Geodic belt on the coast of the Hudson Bay in northern Quebec, and dating back to 4.28 billion years ago.
Now speaking about earthquake. Alaska had the largest earthquake. Prince William Sound, Alaska, 28 March 1964.
Oh, God. Everybody hang on!
Award for Earth's hottest spot goes to El Azizi, Libya, where temperature records from weather stations reveal it hit 136 degrees Fahrenheit, 57.8 degrees Celsius. Antarctica is an extreme continent with no surprise that the coldest place on Earth can be found here, but the chill factor is somewhat unbelievable. Winter temperatures there can drop below -100.
There's uneven gravity. One mysterious gravitational anomaly is in the Hudson Bay of northern Canada. This area has lower gravity than others.
Tie for tallest mountain. The title for tallest mountain goes to either Mount Everest or Mauna Kea. The summit of Mount Everest is higher above sea level than the summit of any other mountain, extending some 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, high. However, when measured from its true base to summit, Mauna Kea takes the prize, measuring a length of about 56,000 feet. Coral reefs are the largest living structures. Coral reefs support the most species per unit area of any of the planet's ecosystems, rivaling rainforests. And while they are made up of tiny coral polyps, together coral reefs are the largest living structures on Earth, a community of connected organisms. The Mariana Trench is the deepest spot on the surface of the Earth.
At last, now in the history of Earth, there was once a supercontinent. The Earth's continents are thought to have collided to become supercontinents and broken apart again several times in Earth's 4.5 billion year history. The most recent supercontinent was Pangaea, which began to break apart about 200 million years ago. The landmasses that comprised Pangaea eventually wandered into the current configuration of continent.
Hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.